Hello, Biden, my old friend. I've come to vote for you again. Because you're not as bad as Donald Trump. That guy just makes me want to throw up. As for Biden, I don't care if he's senile or a pedophile. I'm voting for Joe Biden. To me, the hallmark of living in a great democracy like the USA is having the least possible choice when it comes to voting for a president. Am I right? Is it possible to imagine less choice than a rematch between Joe Biden and Donald Trump? Is it possible to imagine less choice than a contest between two candidates who are both bought and paid for by the fossil fuel industry, the military-industrial complex, the pharmaceutical industry, and the banking and financial industry? Hello, Biden, my old friend. Oh, wait, I forgot. We do have more choice than just two corporate-controlled puppets. There's Cornel West, there's Robert F. Kennedy Jr. For the Green Party, we have Jill Stein. For the Socialist Party, we have Claudia de la Cruz. And then there's the Libertarian candidate. I've come to vote for you again. Oh, wait, I forgot again. Because we have such a rigged system for electing presidents in the U.S., if a candidate is not a corporate-backed Democrat or a corporate-backed Republican, that candidate has as much chance of becoming the next U.S. president as my hamster Weebles does. Because you're not as bad as Donald Trump. Aren't our corporate overlords generous? Because they know how much we loved 2020's contest between Biden and Trump, they're going to let us do it all over again. Isn't that wonderful? Aren't you excited? I know I am. That guy just makes me want to throw up. I believe that the USA is the greatest democracy in the world because we have such great choice when it comes to voting for a president. We can either vote for someone who we think would make a really horrible president, or we could vote for somebody whom we disagree with on a lot of issues, but we don't think he would be quite as bad as the other guy. I mean, is that democracy or what? As for Biden, I don't care if he's senile or a pedophile. You know you're living in the world's greatest democracy when a human being who is not a corporate-controlled puppet has as much chance of becoming the president of the U.S. as a hamster does. I'm voting for Joe Biden. In restless dreams I saw Trump win, narrowly beating Biden. One term is as much as I can take. Re-electing Trump is a big mistake. That's why I don't care if Biden has dementia or sniffs girls' hair. I'm voting for Joe Biden.